up before the sun. Got my coffee, this is gonna be fun. Got my gun, got my dog, got my car. Man, there's just no time like the fall. Tell the boys we're headed out for the woods. You know the outdoors does the soul some good. Climb a tree or set out the blinds and sit back, soak it in. It'll clear your mind.
They've been down in this holler every day past week, so we'll see if they're down here or not. They were here yesterday.
Well, before we get down there, why don't we give them a crow call and see where they are?
All right, 250 yards, maybe a little further. Down in the little field, little bottom.
Did you hear them?
Yeah. Sound like there's, like I said, it sounds like they're right there in that bottom.
All right, let's move up a little bit further. See.
I don't think they're 100 yards.
No.
Maybe 75. Maybe. It's a steep hill, but it kind of flattens off.
I don't think they're down in those power lines, man.
No.
I think they're up in the woods.
I think they're
Let's
down
see
in
if
that
we
little
can see.
hollow.
Let's go.
Remember, right down there.
Let's go back up and set up.
Back up on the hill.
Yeah.
Right there?
Yep. Dude, they're not far, man.
No, they're not far at all. We're about to put a beat down.
There's more. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Dude, they're right over this hill.
Time for a 9-9. Can you shoot him?
What's that?
Can you shoot him?
No, no.
He's behind me, man.
What?
He's on my left-hand side, man. 15 yards.
I don't even see it.
Here comes another drum, man. I think we had turkeys. There's a big bird out front, man. Out front, man. Out front, man. Coming in. Half front. Yep. He's in full strut view. Coming in.
I said, you tell me when. That's when, ain't it? You tell me. Boom! Sit him down.
I almost shot your damn decoy's head off.
Right there. Right there. Good. Dude. Huh?
I don't know how that happened.
Tell me when you're gonna. Bam! You just sat